and Satara Warriors locked in an engaging. Oh, well, but equally well played. Will get a boundary. What a start.
That was a
Fabulous. Shot, wide, width on offer, and he made full use of it. Good cricketing shots. That's what's going to give you reward on this surface. It's the captain in the centre. Just trying to force the issue a little, but he gets it over the inner circle. Successive boundaries here in consecutive.
On 17. And this one is going to up in the air. No one is there behind. Over the fence for one bounce. What a shot. This guy knows how to paper. Team तो बढ़िया है, no doubt about it. इस बार में क्या ख्याल है? सीधी गेंद जाएगी हवाई सफर के लिए. 6 रन ऋषभ के बैट से आते हुए. Welcome 6.
120 runs plus you will get a 4 and a 6 any which ways. And this is a very good shot just above.
So far. This time Upish. And it's in the stand in the cow corner region.
And look at that, he goes over the top. Now this could be, oh my goodness, he's cleared that.
या facilities यहाँ पे. ये हवाई सफर देखते क्या होता है. गेम जाएगी जाएगी पहुंचेगी दूर.
Well, what a moment. This is the first ball.
से चेंज हो जाएगी चीज.
Oh, nicely placed there. And the fielder chases it in vain because the timing and the... Oh, slashed away over the point region. Dheeraj joins in the party and adds a boundary.
दोबारा कह रहा हूँ कि स्क्वायर ऑफ द विकेट रन्स बहुत बनेंगे और बॉलर्स को यही करना है कि बैटर्स को स्क्वायर ऑफ द विकेट ना बना.
This time played it nicely. Will get a boundary. This time on the offside. Will get a boundary. Prashant Solanki to continue. This time down the ground. The fielder will.
The flight की थी अच्छी लेग स्पिन लेकिन स्टेप आउट करके वो एक बहुत ही अच्छा शॉट मारा था अजीम का. The धीरज
Dances down the track and sends it high and mighty near the sides.
The third edition. And Dheeraj Fatangre looking for a couple of runs. He'll get a single. He gets a 50. His second against Eagle Nashik Titans. He's held the innings together. This time down the ground. What a strike! What a strike by Dheeraj.
पूरे किए हैं महाराष्ट्र प्रीमियर लीग में. 5वां बैट्समैन ऐसा है जिसने ऐसा लगा था कि बहुत ज्यादा रन्स होंगे और ये फुल टॉस बॉल अच्छी तरह से स्कूप किया है फाइनल की दिशा में.
Again this time will get a boundary. Ratnagiri Jets need boundary style. Yes he can. Yes he can.
हुए अर्शिन कुलकर्णी और अच्छी तरह से पिकअप किया धीरज पटांगरे ने और आखिरी बॉल पे छक्का मार दिया.
Getting the batters at precise bowlers and the fielders ready for action. Driven and a boundary to start off. Fantastic start.
On the up driven.
Up and away. Boundary to end over number 2. It's 18 without loss. Pickup shot. Out of here.
Goes for the wild swing once again. Thick edge evades the fielder. And it goes all the way, whistling to the boundary. Back-to-back fours now for Nahar. A legal delivery that. Nahar pierces the infield in the third region. Picks up his 6th. Nahar swings his bat once again and gets a similar result. Back-to-back boundaries, and there's
Uppercut once again, and the ball will go through for a boundary. Finally, after 21 deliveries, a boundary, and Yash Nahar celebrating in KGF style.
20 balls, 40 like this. It's in the air. बिल्कुल यहाँ पर मौका बनाया 6 रन.
Full toss. And
Full-butted swing into the stands. There's no stopping Nahar. As
उसने
Nahar gives this a lift off, and it sails into the stands once again.
he needs to fire here for his side if they have to retain hope of making the playoffs. Now on the leg side, the ball races away to the fine leg boundary. Just as we praise him, he just strays in his line and easy pickings there. Again rises up and cuts that one. Will get a boundary. Will Siddeshveer strike now? Nicely done in front of square. Will Prashant Solanki be able to cut it off? No. The ball wins.
बाउंस यहाँ पे भी रन मिल सकते हैं और 4 मिलेंगे लीजिए
Nicely done. Bisecting the field. Will get one more boundary. Will Siddeshveer. He's on fire.
रोकना चाहिए भी नहीं और रोक भी नहीं रहे हैं आज तो कमाल बल्लेबाजी कर रहे हैं
Final delivery. And runs through for another boundary. 4 boundaries in that over.
To be correct, you know, for the wicket keeping. Big shot here. It's going to go for 6. Long 6. Siddeshveer. Outstanding timing.
6.5 in the entire MPL this season. And in this game, in 2 deliveries, he's conceded 13.
बहुत ही बेहतरीन शॉट था वो.
Wristy worker from the southpaw. And they'll come back for 2 on this occasion. They're being made to work hard for runs in this over. No boundaries, nothing coming easy, singles and doubles. And the 50, the first 50 for a stylish left-hander in MPL 2025. Siddeshveer will be pleased with this.
Full toss driven. And the fielder will not be able to cut it off.
That will go fine. That's played straight to deep fine leg, and the ball will.
Yes, look at that. Innovation. And that's a 6, I suppose. Face now. Yes, dismissed. Go fetch that. Oh, come on. You should have taken that. Gentleman in the white cap missed an opportunity. They are on top of the points table. Lucky break there. Will get a boundary.
Siddeshveer says, I'll take him on as well. Make it 4 in 4. This is some death batting by the Raigad Royals.
क्रिटिकल पोजीशन है मिड विकेट और लॉन्ग ऑन के बीच में ये 6 रन आते हुए कमाल का शॉट. पिछले 4 गेंदों में 4 सिक्सेस आए.
One more. My goodness. 5 sixes in the last 5 deliveries. Ladies and gentlemen, the second centurion of the Adani Maharashtra Premier League. Siddeshveer says, I'm here. Take a bow, young man. That is a special knock. The second 100 this season. Only the 5th player to score 100 in the MPL. And the first batter from the Raigad Royals to reach 3 figures. And he brings it up in style of 177 with 6 sixes. Good last delivery from Arshan Kulkarni. He'll concede 8 of this last over. That's pretty good in the circumstances. Was there one delivery left? No, it's done.
मंदार भंडारी ये देख रहा हूँ
Oh, thick edge, inside edge, and that's gonna scoot all. This time, plonks off the front foot. Exquisite looking stroke that from Mandar. Back-to-back fours. Pulled away into the stands. First 6 for Mandar, and a statement of intent comes away from.
बैकफुट पे क्या कमाल का शॉट लगाया भाई यहाँ पे खेलने का और क्या बढ़िया तरीके से हाथ खोले और गेंद को भी देखें थोड़ा सा लो रह गया था उसके बावजूद कितने बढ़िया तरीके से एडजस्ट किया इन्होंने.
Oh, up and over. Bisects the fielders in the cover region. Big shot once again. 3 boundaries on the dot. 6 followed by 2 back-to-back fours. And Mandar is absolutely toying with the field and the bowling attack right now. Backs away a bit of ingenuity. How good looking and well deserved a 4 is that. Backs away once again, slaps this hard. Take that yet again for another boundary back.
Driven nicely. Fantastic shot. There by Mandar Bhandari.
और एक लीडिंग स्पिनर है महाराष्ट्र रणजी ट्रॉफी के लिए और ये बहुत ही अच्छा शॉट मारा है मंदार ने और ये उसके 50 रन पूरे हो चुकी है. रन्स नहीं आ रहे, अच्छी गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं लेकिन इस बार
Ciao. This time makes room and smacks that one into the stand.
absolutely humongous. Pitched up, comes out Mandar Bhandari and hoiks him over. He's already set. He's played 35 deliveries.
This time once again. It's even longer.
Mighty Mandar charges down the track, straight as an arrow, along the carpet, and that's going to be another.
वहां पे भी कैसे रन्स बनाने हैं.
Shuffles across, plays this nice and fine. Back-to-back boundaries for. That's not a shot, that's a statement. Up and over, along it goes into the stands. Mandar Bhandari take about. This is
नहीं चाहिए 33 में 58 ही चाहिए.
full toss, swung into the leg side, and that is going to be a century for Mandar Bhandari, and he gets to the landmark. Absolute belligerence, acknowledging the applause from the crowd that's turned up and enthralled itself.